I cannot leave my houses without diamonds. All the faces on my watches jump out it. Chains faces on the watches, now they found
I'm
it.
basically gonna give you a quick video with Xbox. Now this happens all the time to me, like I'd say once a month, once every month maybe, where it just wipes out my, like it shows I have my internet but I just can't connect to it. So what you want to do is you want to go on your Xbox, you want to disconnect the internet that you have. Now when you go back on it, it's going to show zero internet, so you're not going to be able to connect anything. So then what you're going to want to do is you're going to your Xbox, alright, just completely unplug it. Leave it there. I already did this. I mean, leave it there for about 30 seconds. Say it's completely in its like shut off function. Then as soon as you plug it back in, turn it right back on.
We can't play any.
And so then, see, it's turning on. So you just kind of want to wait till obviously it turns on. It's going to do the whole Xbox One thing. I'll fast forward. Alright, so then you can see, enter my passkey. I'm not really gonna, it doesn't really matter, but, you know, I just don't want that. Oh yeah, I guess that really doesn't matter. Now, as you can see, it's still gonna say, just like this, connect Xbox Live. You're gonna hit connect Xbox Live. You can see, right here, it does show that there is 2 wireless networks. As you guys can see, I mean, you enter in your passkey. Alright, so you're just gonna enter in your password. Actually, you know, I can keep the Wi-Fi thing. But you just have to enter in your password for whatever it is, and I'll catch you guys when I'm done. It's all good. And it did say you've been signed on an Xbox Live. It should say that. Alright, let me just get out of there. Now you can see checkout gold, all that is there instead of connect to wireless. So now go back on my account, on my Xbox on account. Go back onto my account. Enter in my password. And you can see it'll say sign out elsewhere. Basically, and here you go. See, you have full live. Everything's good. Yep. So, hopefully that video helped you out. And yeah, peace out, guys.